Hi, welcome back to Hand Poked Ink. Today's a quick tutorial on how to use stencil paper. For stencil paper, there's 4 layers. There's this top layer, the next layer, which will be the actual transfer and stencil, the ink layer, and the base layer. So you'll want to draw your design on this top paper because you can separate this, and I just take it off the whole sheet. This corner is usually attached when you buy it, but I like to just keep them all separate sheets. So here you write what your stencil is going to be in pencil, so that if there's any mistakes, you can get it before it transfers. Next, once you have your design, you don't need a pencil anymore, you need a pen. The pen is going to have more pressure, which will basically make the ink from here transfer onto the paper here, and then you can transfer this onto your skin. So you will line up your design on top of the ink and transfer paper and go over it with a pen. And be very careful on this spot of the technique, because if you mess up, that's your stencil. But you also should always make sure your tattoo looks good before you actually put it on. So now, let's see. It transferred it. Perfect. Now, all you need is a pair of scissors, and you will cut out your stencil to make sure that it fits on the location you want it. So now I could put this here, here, wherever.